Smart parrots. Parrot Nuri, endemic Australian bird with green, yellow and orange plumage, is a cultural and sporting symbol of New South Wales. Although extinct since the 1920s, their biodiversity and cultural heritage are still passed down through generations.